Hello, welcome to the next episode of P4Edge Tutorial Series. Today in this video I will show you how to turn your Raspberry Pi based P4Edge node into a wireless access point that is programmable in P4. So in addition to layer 2 forwarding, you can also deploy other more intelligent functions to that access point. To this end, you need the Raspberry Pi based P4Edge node, and you have to directly connect it to your home router via a wireless or a wired Ethernet connection. Okay, let's see how we can configure it. In this video, we will use a slightly different settings than in the previous videos. We have already connected to the P4Edge wireless network from the laptop, and I connected my home router to the Ethernet interface of the P4Edge node. And we will create the following structure: that the wireless interface will be connected to the Ethernet interface via the P4 programmable packet processing program. So all the traffic coming from the laptop or from the internet side will go through this P4 program where we can implement more advanced features like local firewalls or other traffic filtering applications. So how can we create this new setup? After SSHing to or opening an SSH terminal to the device, we get the prompt. I enter to root context and go to the root folder. And here you can see in the root folder we have a setup eth VLAN bridge sh script. And the only thing we have to do is to execute this script, and it will reconfigure the internal networking settings of the device and connect the Ethernet interface to the P4 programmable packet processor and the packet processor to the wireless interface. And in this way we can bridge between the two interfaces. So let's see how it works. Okay, and that's it. So the script has already been executed, and what you can see here that since we are connecting to the home router, actually, the home router will have the role of providing the DHCP service. So we turned off the DHCP service on the P4Edge node, and instead of that we use the home router service. And it also means that the IP address space and the prefix will be different from this point. And here you can see that, for example, on the wired interface, our P4Edge node is available on this new IP address, and on the wireless interface we can reach it on that interface. If we open a simple terminal, so this is a terminal on my laptop, and for example I try reaching one of the Google's DNS server, you can see that it's not working. And the problem is that to get the new settings and the new IP prefixes, we have to disconnect from the wireless interface and reconnect to it again. So I will do that. I disconnect my laptop from the wireless P4Edge wireless network, and yeah, I disconnected and I reconnect to it again. Yes, it's done. And then I can start pinging the Google's website or any other websites that. So what can we also see that our P4Edge node is not available on the previous IP address, because now we get the IP prefix from the DHCP server of my home router. We have to use the new IP address, which was given to the wireless interface of the P4Edge node. So I will copy and paste this IP address, and it's available there. And that's it. So in this way you can deploy any kind of P4 program on your local access point, and you can filter or process packets according to your needs. Thanks for watching.